bit like comparing a tree. When a tree dies, the workshop was designed primarily to allow us to provide training to national partners from 5 different countries in how to undertake seagrass ecosystem service assessments. And in this workshop, it was really about blue carbon and also dugong surveys and participatory videos. We had a lot of things that we needed to cover quite late in the project, and we felt that being face-to-face would be the best way to do that. And over 6 days, we have covered a lot of material, from introducing people to the basic concepts, through all of the methods that are involved, and then finally to thinking about how we can apply that knowledge to achieve seagrass conservation. The participants were absolutely fabulous. Workshops like this are only successful if the participants commit fully, and I think this has been an extraordinarily successful workshop. Every participant was fully committed for 6 days. They engaged in all of the activities. The questions that they were asking at the end of the workshop was evidence of how much they've learned, how much they understand the concepts we're dealing with, and their eagerness to try to apply this to seagrass conservation. I think that is a big sign of how successful it's been, and I think it's good news for seagrass in Southeast Asia.
Indonesia actively involved in the ocean climate issues, and we are trying to bring this issue into the negotiation. So we need to have partners.
Standardized